Guys, this is episode 1 of Factions. I did get a head start, so yeah, this is my base. Pretty cool, so we're just going to be continuing from here. I'll give myself a random kit, so let's see how awesome this stuff. Oh, actually, I got some potions. Yeah, I wasn't gonna die. Yeah, I got some potions. Yeah, I am, I'm Mr. Snuffles9, so just to prove it, I'll say hi. Oh, and I'm gonna say I'm recording. I am recording. Sorry, you saw my hand. I am recording. Yeah, I don't think anyone heard me, because I'm just talking about faction. Where's a faction home base? You shoot your faction / faction set home. Oh, yeah, you're playing territory. Let's see if there's a Tory. I'm real bad at factions. Yeah, I'm horrible at it. Let's go up here. Yeah. Who wants a shout out? I'm just gonna say who wants a shout out. Who wants a shout out? Shout out. Who wants a shout out? Yeah. Okay. Shout out to Fat Kid. Shout out to Fat Kid. To Fat Head. On YouTube. Shout out to Fat Head on YouTube. And Fiery, yeah, whatever his name is. Shout out to you guys. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we could go mining, because I'm not really good enough to start PvP. Yeah, so let's go mining. Yeah. Mining. Yeah, I might play. Yeah. So we're gonna go mine. Hopefully I can find some diamonds. So I did find diamonds over there somewhere. Oh, redstone. That's always good. Let's get that. So yeah, factions. It doesn't really feel like factions because I'm not killing people or anything. We are just walking around, really. Yeah, but I got a pretty good underground base. Yeah. I'm gonna say I'm recording. Should I? Yeah, I think I should. I'm recording.